Hi, everybody. I'm not even stepping outside. I'm actually inside the kitchen, zooming in through the back door because, as you can see, and maybe hear through the screen at the back door, it is mighty windy today. Here about 30 minutes southwest of Denver. They say Chicago's the windy city, but today Denver and surrounding areas are giving that nickname for Chicago a run for its money. Mighty nasty out, and temperatures only in the 50s to boot. As I let the wind and the weather do the talking for a little bit. Just wanted to share this with you on this May 6th. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Talk to you soon. While I stay inside and stay out of the wind today.